Greetings, everybody. Welcome to the first episode of the brand new program, Jocks and Jabs. My name is DJ Jabs. In this program, we'll be discussing different things that affects the arts with different people that are involved in the arts. So you can imagine them. Today, we've got with us Umnikazi Wempuphu. He's an upcoming comedian, award-nominated comedian, and he's one of the best we've got in Matabeleland. Let's get to hear what he's got for us. Umnikazi Wempuphu, welcome to the show, bro.
Siyabonga bhuti
Sikhipani, my bro.
Uyalela ngeke sisole. Wonke ukwiswi.
Awukhali.
Hayi angikhali.
Njengomuntu odlalela empuphu.
Ngeke ngikhali. Anti yonke ngiyami.
Yonke
ngiyami.
Nice. Yeah, so tell me, Umnikazi Wempuphu. Libizo othe uzalwa wambana esibhedlela udokotela esipha athi ngwe bathi lo sizathi Umnikazi Wempuphu or kwenzakalani? Libizo loku birth certificate, stupeni kumbe how did you get the name?
Leli ngelami. Asola abazali. So leli ngiyazinika kahle.
Okay.
Yabo. So yeah.
Elabazali awuzulisoleni.
Elabazali anti kule ama nickname vele ngasikhula sonke silama nicknames. So leli ngelami ngazinika lona. Ukuthi hayi leli ngazinika labele ngichaza mina.
Okay.
Mina myself liyangichaza. So Umnikazi.
Are you sure ukuthi wawaso situation webhayibe ebhendlini vele nguwodla iporridge eliningi phakathi kwabantwana bonke?
No, asoma 2K isadlula ukuthi indlela 2008 nje but ayisikuthi yeah but ibizwa ngazinika.
Aza kuchaya ama 2K. So right to business. You are a content creator, you're a social commentator, you are a musician as well. Tell us about it. How did you get into that? And as well as ukuthi ukhulele ngaphi? Yeah.
Mina ngikhulele lokishini elihle kakhulu eliseduze le mall eNjuve.
Okay.
Ngikhulele eNjuve.
Le mall eNjuve?
Hayi opposite phela eNdumbane complex.
Oh.
Ngikhulele khona phana eNjuve anti. So ngikhulele eNjuve, ngafunda eNjuve. Primary.
Yes.
To high school, funda eNjuve.
Okay.
So ngiqale eNdweba vele lokho angazi kwavumbuluka kanjani. Ngiqale eNdweba. Ngawena competition yokudweba yambhadala fees for 3 years. So ngiqale eNdweba lokho baludweba ngisayenza. Ngiqale ngomdwebi. And then lockdown saqala nje into zokulawula. Lokho kubuya kuwe music asesilesikhatshana sithuna but sesama nje ngoba ubulema buyadlisa.
Okay, you said something interesting. So uqale udweba. That's very interesting. So why didn't you pursue into zokudweba? And also in the family why khona now why kade senza all those things or you are the first one to do it?
Umdala wayenguma DVD.
Okay.
Wakade dweba yongela. So yimi ngede ngaqala into zokudweba.
So uma DVD kanjani ngoshoota
ama shooter
cameraman. All right.
So mina ngidweba ngena so into iqalisa ngami.
Okay. Yeah. And the family yona ikuthatha njani because yawazi some families mostly even thina mina in my generation maskhula bekule that I don't know if it was a myth or what ukuthi into zamakatari into zama arts azilamali. Sorry, and so when you decided to get into arts ifamily yona kwayiphatha kanjani enilamanje uyiphatha kanjani?
Into engichaza ngefamily ukuthi iziya discover this year.
Hayi ndoda.
Ngiyakutshela serious. Iziya discover this year ifamily bengakwazi mina izinto zobulema into ezinjani upost ubulema lana. So uthi nxa uthi ungahamba ukuthi awusho umnikazi uthe wathi anti kade bayakuphikisa because into abangayaziyo vele endlini.
Okay.
So kade sibazi ba discover this year nje sibona ngama videos okumbalwa lana.
So sitshele ngabo ubulema lobo what inspired ukuthi ubelilema?
Ukuthi so yabona ukuthi esikhathini esiningi nxa ulemnye imicijo uyabusula ukuthi ungayikhulumela ngapha but social media kwenza ukukhuluma ezinye izinto abantu abafuna kunjani ukuzizwa ngesikhathi sakhona. So via social media yakwanisa ukukhuluma yonke into engicabangileyo ongela umuntu uyabuye njani ecubungula into engikhulumileyo yesebe ngayicubungula comment section but mina nyabe ngikhulumile ukuthi uzasala usithini mina ngiyela indawo.
Okay, so wena ukholisa ukukhuluma lapho ungaphikiswa khona.
Yeah. Because mathupha abantu bakufaki bakwenza physical counseling.
Which brings me into elinye side of you. You mentioned into a counseling. I've heard somebody at some point. I heard this answer was Umnikazi Wempuphu is actually somebody who's into counseling. Tell us about that.
So inhlanganiso engisebenzela ama young people between the ages of 10 to 24. Still labafana boys empowerment. So senanze abafana abaningi vele bese bechiwe esikhathini esiningi. So into esizenza sinika information dissemination on SRH in the counseling land anything affect abantu abatsha into engiyenzayo nxa ngayenza into zami zobulema.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Yeah, because ngeke ngakubona at some point even ku social media kugqoka izikipa zama-condom and all that and all that.
Ozoqamba uqala into zonke ngizigqoka.
Isenjayile ukusibona. Lesi siyasiqala today esilebizwe lakho.
Alright.
So it always like kwakungiconfuse ukuthi okay umuntu lo umuntu onjani kahle kahle wenzani wenza ngani but ngiyathaba ukuba kwazi. Then I've noticed ukuthi over the period of time you've been working with other creatives as well, the likes of Osipho, Okalanga. How has that been going?
So ekusipaneni uyabukwazi ukuthi ngabona usebenza uphuma ufunde into ezimbili ezintathu lo muntu anti. So sengisebenze labantu abambalwa abathe ombijana. Beat ku music. Kuma skits lan. So sengisebenze labantu abachiyene. So uSipho sile program esiyenzayo lo Sipho. Okuthiwa iNest Talent Search. Whereby sizama ukuphusha ama-artist thina esayidini lethu lokuwumana lo muntu uyabuye perform into yakhe engaperforma thina singama-judges. So into esiyiphusha ama-artist sizama ukupromote ukubambana kuma-artist ngokungama-numbers kwethu esilakho okubili okuthathu khona kuyana nti ama-artist enjani ethola abantu abababukela ngoba thina asifani lezi indawo ukuthi silabantu abasiphushayo. So thina sesisebenza ngakhona kuyingcosana esilakho ukuthi sinjani siziphushe ngezinye izinto esizenzayo Okhalanga abantu abaningi omdluli. So sazama ukuthi abantu abayenza i-arts kobula singani siyanjani siyabambana siphusheni into eyi-one.
Okay, lisebenza ngeli lakho, which is a good thing. Vele i-success kumele mawufuna i-success kahle kumele you must keep going. Into zonke zikuthole kunjani kuhamba. So speaking of which, awunjele kabanzi nje nge-experience yakho kuBulawayo industry. Ikutreata kanjani or the Zimbabwean industry as a whole. Usenza khona kanti uthe wena ibulema. But ongasimente ibulema.
Mina yenza
usebenzela njani and abantu bakureceive kanjani?
Khona kuyasebenza Sibini. Kuyasebenza phela
lalodlile.
Yeah, uyalalodlile kwesinye isikhathi. But manje into eyinkinga ukuthi usebenza ukhangelela ukuthi kunjani kuzaba le mali. Yabona? Because thina lokhu senza ngokukholisa isikhathi esiningi nyenza into lezi ngokuthi ngiyakholisa.
Oh, so it's actually a hobby.
Give me a hobby.
All right.
But ekubeni i-hobby into egcina siletha ama-sense time. Yabona? So into esizenzayo siyasenzela ukuthi kube i-hobby.
Okay, so iBulawayo industry, how has it been like for you? How has it been treating you? And ngizwile usithi wena amasenta ayangena here and there. But ukhangele kungumuntu othi asingeke sithi ulomdlopha. Sho ukuthi kuyaphileka kuyadleka mnikazi wempupha udla impuphu kuphela. Sithele ngayo.
Ikobona khona ipower eVaseline ungagcina kuyadazula. Ikobona khona ipower eVaseline. So engakusho ukuthi nanti i-arts industry koBulawayo.
Yeah.
Bakhona abadlayo, bakhona abangadliyo. Njengendawo zonke kanti mina
indawo zonke ziphi?
Indawo yonke.
But I go on let me.
Same lesikolo bakhona abafundayo but ayisibonke abapasayo.
Okay.
Yeah, uhamba njalo. But mina koBulawayo i-arts industry ngiyabona ukuthi isharp. Isharp so kusenga ukuthi wena udumo lwakho osulalo ulutshintsha njani lukulethele imali.
Okay.
Yabona into yakhona. So mina ngingumnikazi nginje koBulawayo ngeke ngithi ngiyadla imali. Angifuni ukutshona ngiqambela abantu amanga. Angidli imali bafethu. Angidli imali ikubona sikhuthaza usigqugquzela ukuthi wena nxa usenza into yakho yenza e-arts anti dinga umsebenzi because uyachona suchaya into abe sule depression yathi umkhuhlane yamakhiwa le anti ngoba imali njani ayingeni kubantu but i-arts industry wave abantu abaningi abaphushayo uyabona imisebenzi yakhona mihle iyakhanga iyachaza but kushoda ngapha anti asikwazi khona because abantu abaningi bale project amnandi ukuthi ungachaya even esportini anti uwachaya esportini abantu bagida bejabule. But by yesikhathi nxa usithi ingoma le ngiyakobulawayo abantu sebeqalisa kanjani ungani sebefungwa lokwi-attitude ngana because abantu abaningi anti wazi nakobulawayo silalela into zangale but labantu abaningi abaphusha into ezimnandi kobulawayo.
Yeah, but unibona ngani okwenza khona ukuthi abantu bakithi singathandi into zakithi singazisupport? Because like I said in the beginning of the show, sifuna ukuthi sikhulumisane lama artists, get to understand izikhalazo zabo, sisifake out there umphakathi uzizwe uyabo, so that we can even rally the masses behind them. When ubona ngani okwenza abantu bakithi bangamkeli into zakithi kwini? Is it because ama artists ayehluleka or is it because vele abantu in general lapha into zalapha abazithandi or kule inye effect ongayiletha today into the limelight engingayaziyo?
So mina I think vele into iqalela lapha esihlala khona wena endlini ubukelana. Okay. Yabona endlini ubukelana uyathola ukuthi most sibukela into zaphesheya ngalanti so wena into zakhula vele uyazi into yaphesheya ngale ayisikuthi ama artist akobula akho blind ikubona ama artist amaningi ngaphume phandle kwelizwe uyabe sigidiza nalona evela lapha thina sivela esihlala khona but nxa echaye ngale sasigidi sonke sagidi iseqa sayigida sonke bazayicabanga ukuthi ngiyaphandle kwelizwe why because thina into esizivukelayo every day endlini isikhathi esinengeza ngabe ngeza phandle kwelizwe ngale but ayisikuthi kobulawayo kumbe eZimbabwe akula ama movie akula ngoma akulani izinto ezikhona zonke but thina lapho esihlala khona siyazinika isikhathi ukuthi sidingisise into zakobulawayo kumbe into zeZimbabwe zona ngoba yananzela ukuthi ama movie akhitshwa ingoma zakhitshwa every day kulento ezinenge ezikhitshwa every day so uyabona ukuthi wena kuqala khona lapho ohlala khona ukuthi wena lapho engihlala khona ngiyabukela yini kumbe wena inhloko yomuzi ngiyothanda into zangani so nxa wathanda into zangala abantu bakho bekhula vele labakhula bethanda into zangala
so ngokubona kwakho what can we do to change that yini ezingayenza ukuthi sithi okay sidivert abantu ukuthi bathandeni okwethu lathi bamkele okwethu lathi singabantu banye
so thina singabantu abanye ukuthi into engicaza kathi esikwinanti kule mbuthano eminingi esiyenzakala engani yakhanga abantu abatsha nti so esibona khona ama artists because abantu abatsha siyathanda amakatari lami nginje amakatari ngiyathanda noma ngumfundisa but amakatari siyathanda but khona phana amakatari nethe siwayenzayo asipusheni phela abantu abakobulawayo uyabona uthi nxa ungaba le event abantu bakobulawayo bonke benjani betholakala khona phana because akwenza ukuthi wena nxa ishow isenjube mina ngihlala enjube ngiyehlule ukutholakala mina ngiwenjube kubuye abantu abangasobenjube uyabona ukuthi ama events ethu onke siwathendayo asinjani asibeni labantu bakhona bakobulawayo labo DJ labo angeke ngithi DJ ba wrong lama artists kwesinye isikhathi a wrong because ingoma azifikisi kubo DJ ukuthi ema sporting lapha esikhatara khona kasinjani
but do you think ukuthi asifiki kumbe ukuthi kule something maybe asikho good enough or azithandiwa vele because ingoma kabani
so into engichaza Jebs uyakwazi ukuthi wena lapha egazi lapho ohlala khona even le Bible liyasho ukuthi umprofeti lapha avela khona kayamukelwa kakhona so wena ohlala egazi lapha na ukucina kusiba le mentality ukuthi mina Jebs mina lo umnikazi ngizobukela wena uhlabela sisika sonke amanzi esibhoraneni uyabona ukuthi ngezinye izinto ezinjani ukuthi wena sungayamukela kwenye indawo and so ayisikuthi ingoma zifike ziyakwanisa ukuthi zifike but ngase zifikile kumbe wena ungazihambisi as an artist we expect ukuthi bekudinge wena because abaningi siyahlabela sivundeka ngazi ngifuna zihluma ingoma zakhona
because at some point what I've noticed mina personally as a music producer since Imbuyile ukuthi a lot of people don't know the channels especially the upcoming artists ukuthi ingoma yayenza kumele ibe ku standard esinjani usuka lapho uyise ngapi some people don't even know how to submit your song to radio uyabo let alone we talk of mixing labo mastering so I think all those factors also as well they play a role and then kule ndaba ke wayimensiona in brief wasuyidlula wathi kukhona abadlayo ngifuna ukuzwa wona ukuthi abadlayo ngoba ningabanjani
amabizo ngeke siqamba nti
amabizo adure
amabizo ngeke siqambe but bakhona abantu abadlayo Jebs uyabona ukuthi umuntu yabethola amagiga amaqatha ubona lama red cards ankonta umuntu lo uyabhadalela ukuthi uyezojabulisa abantu uyabona so usunanzele ukuthi abantu bakhona into zabo zonke zihlelekile yabo zihlelekile so kusenge isikhathi ukuthi wena as an artist uziphatha njani ukutreat as a business yini
yes this is what I was saying ukuthi such people kulabantu abangakwaziyo why can't they be the ones abanika laba abangakwaziyo ama templates ukuthi yenza so
kulama workshops akayenzakala ngosahokhola abakhayana ngeze music eZimbabwe anti
yes
ubunanzelela ukuthi ama artists awa attend ama workshops ana lawo ngingazi ukuthi abazwanga kumbe abanjani ababonanga
okay ngicela ubamba on that one mina I've been here for more than a year now I missed out on a lot of things because even abantu abakwaziyo ababekwazi team khona engikhuluma labo ku WhatsApp I've never seen one person engi-invite. You don't see those things advertised. Uyeza usubona sokuyi-delayed ukuthi bekule into enje kule event enje but nxa isi-delayed seli-advertise but izayenzakala asiyibonanga. How does that happen? Because mina lapha ngikhuluma from personal experience a lot of times into eziningi zakungikhutha nje ngizibuza so how does a show ye-artist management happen thina ama-artists singakwazi
zawukhutha mba uchayisana ngalazo buka tu so sesinanzela ukuthi as an artist ezinye izinto baziposta ku social media yawo kumbe wena usebenzisa social media usebenza kuphela
Okay, ngiyakuzwa ukutsho mnikazi, but I've heard somebody ekhala esithi yena, look, into lezi ziyenzeka, ama-workshops ayenzeka, into eziningi, but we as artists asibizwa. Sibona sokungama-delayed kuphela ukuthi hayi ngale bekumnandi usubona amapikitsha abantu afterwards sokudliwa izinyama sokusenziwani but bengabizwanga. So is it because kukhona aba-identifywayo as artists or kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi abanye bangabi involved? Because there is a lot of those complaints out there. Hayi mdala thina into lezi asizibone. Sibona sokungama-delayed. Uyabo?
So ukuthi mina ngeke ngikhulumela abantu engiwaziyo anti. But engakusho ukuthi mina enjalo kwa-attenda lapha ngizakhuluma ngami ngoba ukuthi kuyasongana ngikhulumela abanye abantu. Enjalo kwa-attenda ukuthi ngiyembone ku-page somewhere bepostile anti. So ukuthi abanye basala njani because uyananzelela isikhathi esiningi unga-attenda ama-workshops lawa kulama-faces afana nayo isikhathi esiningi. Thina tesifika sibe batsha maybe ngoba uyaqala la kuyafika landani but izinto eziyabe zipostiwe ezinye asikwazi ziyabe zivumbuluke njani ngoba zagcina ngiqamba amanga la.
All right. Ngiyabonga ukumphendula honestly. Okay, then let's move on to something else. Right, umnikazi wempuphu ngeke ngakubuza about yourself in the beginning, but ukhona engakubuzanga. Since uthe wena wenza into zokulema and all that, I've had like some experiences with you whereby I've walked with you in town. You remember there's a day we met? I don't know if you're comfortable with me saying this. I went with this guy at Toilet Adon and Sly. When we came out, there were like 4 girls waiting out emnyango toilet befuna ukubona umnikazi wempuphu. So, how do you balance life, love life yakho anjo, le life in general, le profession yakho? How do you balance those?
Ukukhulu ukuphila mate. So engakusho ukuthi nanti so uyabona Jebs ukuthi nxa sikhamba vele sonke asilamali singabantu ngeke senze ngeke siphikane but nxa sengikhayela into engizipostala into engizenzayo lana nanti uyananzela isikhathi esiningi that's why uyabona ukuthi umjolo wami ngeke uhlala uyiswi ngoba uyananzela ukuthi ngingaposta namhla ngithi I'm single omunye umuntu kuyamthinta kabi because mina benthandana la isikhathi sakhona
into yakwazi uko single manje
but anti mina ngiyaposta kuphela and then ngingathi ngiyisidawa lokho ngiyakubelieve ngoba uyakwazi danatha anti so when anzethi into zakho na Jebs time iko mina futhi angisekho single kade I'm now alone ngoba soke isikhathi yes phela ngihlala 3 months usingle ngadlulisa ngaleso alone.
So ujuthi vele girlfriend dololo?
Girlfriend akula.
Serious? Okay, but ladies love you mos. I've seen it with my own eyes. Okwehlulayo kuyini?
Asikwazi bandithanda yini?
Niggas.
Lo uthanda lokuzwisisa.
Khona asitsheli khona.
Lo uthanda lokuzwisisa into ezithi
ukuzwisisa kunjani?
Ukuzwisisa nje ukuthi sixoxe kuphela.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I thought uthi maybe uzomnikazi wabafazi as well, especially after that incident. Yakhumbula indlela yaqala futhi ukuthi ngube ngubiza time to time umnikazi wabafazi. But anyway, I understand. So, if ungabuza okunye futhi, what has been the highlight of career yakho? Ongathi wena lapha yes. Zangikhiphela lapha yes. Ngavuma la mntu ayisengiphakathi ubulema sokubhadala.
So mina ngakutsho ukuthi ungabona vele into oyenza empilweni sekwanisa ukunika imali lawo ethenga idrink kanti. I think iyo into enkulu kimi isibusiso kimi. But engakutsho ukuthi kathesi this year maybe I've worked with ama companies angafika 6. This year kuphela.
That's great.
So uyabonanzelela ukuthi enye into esiyabe siyenza thina silala but igcine iphendukisa imali kithandi.
Yeah.
So sokusiya ukuthi kushap kona but ngeke ngikhuluma kone.
And last year sike sabona nominated for an award. Ansawaziwa kuyi which award was that? Kuma BAA.
Best comedian.
Okay. How did that go?
Ndoda banjaya.
Bakurigita.
Bandirigita.
Warigita wakubani?
Ngasho Thomani. Ngiyamkhohlwa.
Hayi ndoda.
Serious.
What if akuphinda this year nje uzumkhohlwa?
This year. Ndoda banjani ndoda vela mbonti ngabuyela lapha but into enhle
Bathi give up.
So give up. Into enhle yaziwini ungabona beku recognize into yena nti into eqhakathekileyo because after ku recognize lapha nanti ngathola first gig.
Iminyango yavuleka.
Iminyango yaqala ukuvuleka. So into enhle angeke sithone sithi uwina ku right ani but time ukunanzelelwa into eqhakatheke kakhulu.
Yes.
So ngasuqhatheke because nasidinga imali. Awula muntu angafuna imali la. So imali into esiyigijimisa vele isikhathi esiningi.
Okay.
So and then after laphana because akhipha ingoma lana okungcono umana.
Yeah, that song actually did well, eh?
Yeah, I thought award.
Nice, my guy. What are you as artists in Bulawayo or as comedians, content creators, creatives doing to appreciate each other? Or lokana ukuthi lina liya builder kuphela liya spana umphakathi umelo appreciate. What are you doing towards that?
So I think
as creatives.
I think abantu ngingabaqamba kulento esizenzayo vele maybe kule utalent sejale sitsho leya nanti.
Yes.
Kulento esiyenzayo ukuthi siphakamisane thina njengama artists.
Yeah.
So sisebenza lo sebenzayo ofuna ukusebenza.
Hamba labamba.
Abahamba but akula mali bakithi.
Okay.
But esingakutsho ukuthi sinjani sisama ukuphushana sonke nanti. So ama artists onke asikhethi ukuthi nguphi into esiyenzayo current.
Okay.
So yeah sesilabo Sipho labanye kubona sesifaka lama guest judges dan ukuthi sizama ukuphushana sonke kobulayo because asila muntu ongasiphusha thina kobulayo. So nxa singayenza into yethu yakobulawayo siphushane singaba kobulawayo iko kunye sikwenzayo khona lokho.
Okay, consider me in on that. Nyazimvayita ne? Nyabuya kule. So then emunye umbuzo futhi ade mfuna ukubuza ukuthi where do you get your jokes?
So mina vele ngihlale with Send isikhathi esiningi. Ngihlala eKasi.
Right.
Ngilokutshona eMgerweni. You know ukuthi content lonke vele eKasi.
Ina recruitment eKasi.
Izitori zonke zivele eKasi. Ikubona umuntu engahlala emayadini xa efuna ukuhlabela ngento zelokutshini ubuye eKasi ezothapha ke eKasi ngapha semxoxelene ehlabela. So into zonke into esiyenzakala eKasi ezinye izinto into esibe sizikhangele. Ngakhayela ama videos ka Windy lawana into esibe sishayisana lazo engangwayenza ka Windy lana eMshoveni.
Yes.
Izinto ingqaba ngqozo yenzakala khona phana eMshoveni.
Okay.
Videos into esizikhangele.
So you are more or less inspired by daily life vele.
So into esizibonayo sesizifaka ngendlela echazayo ukuthi abantu benjani bekulalele but at the same time bebonto into yenzakalayo wrong.
Okay. So how did you feel last year, speaking about AMA Awards, when you were nominated for AMA Awards amongst AMA stand-up comedians? Because when amasilandela kahle kahle uyabhala mostly, you're not that much into stand-up comedy. How did that feel? And
wangethusa. You know, last year ngande video one.
Yeah.
Facebook ele 1 million views. It's just a reel. Video one ele 1 million views. Nyabhala. But and then kuyabuya abantu besithi umnikazi kaso comedian uyabhala uyenza nanti. And then sokuzoba labanye abantu ukuthi wena into ozibhalayo bahamba beziperforma phambili. Beziperformile kuyizinto ezivele ku account yakho anti yena sesiyaziperform. And then later abanye bakhona sebeyaqala ukuthi wena you are not a comedian but yes ngiyakuzwisisa civil party. Nxa uthatha into yomuntu ebhalayo useyayikhuluma uyenza umsebenzi ngokukhuluma ngobhalayo.
Is this why sesike sizotha umnikazi kulabanye abaprominent abakhona right now ababhalelayo? How true is that?
Lokho mana nisiyana lakho ukuthi indaba zabantu asizithandi but
there's no shame in it mos.
Lapha into ukweqa.
Awuthanda indaba zabantu.
Into ukweqa nje ukuthi uProma ithanda.
All right, sitshele what are you working on currently? Kuyini abantu umele baku expect out there, and then to summarize everything ngizafuna futhi unjele ukuthi laba abafuna ukungena entweni ezinjengalezo zenzayo ku arts industry, ku comedy, ku creativeness, should the parents be worried? Should they be worried? Do they need any form of backup? Because ngakuza ukukhuluma langendaba yomsebenzi. But qala usithi fahla ngale ukuthi what is it that you have that is coming?
So akathese engakutsho ukuthi athisi sengibe sentweni eziningi kakhulu. Sibe le movie izingoma lana but okubuyayo silama videos nje ama skits anda ukuzigqolisela. Lezi lokunye ngasoma skits esebesikhuluma into ezichayisana lathi.
Okay.
Every day maybe lengoma ya. But ama projects nje amaningi azayo khona lapho kobulawayo. Lama collaborations amaningi abuyayo kobulawayo.
Nice.
So engakutsho ukuthi mina enemuntu ofuna sisebenze siyasebenza.
You're open for business.
Open for business.
Okay.
Indikimba yethu. So into engitsho and then nxa ufuna la ukuthi ungene entweni lezanti. Mina into engayitsho ukuthi woba wazi abantu balembono. Entweni yakho yonke oyenza empilweni abantu balembono.
Yes.
So sungayenza ngeke uthande umuntu wonke awusomali. So sungayenza but into yakho uyathutha amanamba abekhwela but uzabuye one. Yabona i-social media into e-trick nxa ungayihle kuyinanzelela kahle.
Yeah.
Kulo muntu ewane uye khulume into eyadiverta i-attention yepost lakho kuye. Esebuye wakhuluma enye into. Abantu ku social media bazondile, abantu bakubulayo bazondile abanengi kakhona. So babedinga indawo yokubhodlela kuphela.
bazondeleni
angikwazi so wena into omele beyazi ukuthi yonke into oyenzayo wena uzinikele wona ngokwazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenza
yeah true
so ungayenza into yakho kahle uyabusukwazi ukuthi yenza into efilayo because ungazama ukuthi uyenze into ufuna uchaza uzibani ngafuna uchaza wena ngichaze ubhuda songangalo kwecamera so ukuthi ngiyagcina sendahleka mina khona phana because ungananzelela into leze arts abantu abaningi kwabazilahleka khona begcine bezikhohle ubuntu babo ukuthi bona bayini ngoba iarts bayafuna ukuthi betrend beyenze landi so wena nxa ungumuntu kumele uyenze into njani oyibonayo
but ubezazi futhi
ubezazi ukuthi ngubani
ngaphi ngaphi
and then abazali kumele bebekwazi ukuthi kade siyabona kulabantu abadla ngearts into ade siyitsho sibabona abanye bephuma bekade indizamtshina landi ngearts but thina zathi sikhula nasifunda vele nabadala besitshela kanti nje ngantu yebo but into eyayiqoqozela endlini ukuthini kambe qina ngebhuku after kuwini i-competition yokudweba yakubhadala 3 years ze-fees badala bakushithi qina ngebhuku
imagine ngelandaba la ukuthi ibhadala i-fees
but imagine ukuthi wena ngabe into lana ngaqina ngangakade esengapi yabona so into engayisho ukuthi ebazalini kumele bebekwazi ukuthi i-art la yakwanisa ukuthi nxa umntwana emhambele kahle yakwanisa ukuthi ebe ngumsebenzi engamphilisa kahle la yanti so into esingazitsho nje ukuthi nxa umntwana le talent bazali limncediseni talent lakhe efunda ngapha
ne support structure
yabona i-support system eqhathekile and then sokuzoba lokuthi nxa le artist ungagxili ku-art kuphela ngoba uyadana uzadana uyaphuma amanzi emehlweni ale sawudo yabona into zakhona
siyabe sezikhala
so I think ngomfitshane kwangakutsho
thank you so much we're gonna end it there mnikazi
siyabona
thank you guys lam for kunjoina and to everybody out there lonke lisemakhaya siyabonga ukusijoina. You should be looking forward to the next episode, which will be coming soon. My name is DJ Jebs. This program, you can find it on any platform your site, site.zw. From your boy DJ Jebs, signing out. See you soon.